In this video I will show you easy way to clear Facebook watch history on your mobile device. For this, go and open Facebook app on your phone. Next, click on 3 bars at bottom right corner. Scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and under User Activity click on Activity Log. Then at the top you will get Search. Tap on it. Next, type Video and you will get list of video related activity. From there, tap on videos you have watched. You will have multiple video you have watched. If you want to clear particular video, then click on 3 dots next to the video and then tap on Delete as shown here. If you want to delete all video history, just tab on Clear Video Search History. In the pop-up, click on Clear. Just wait for some time or you can go back and later it will clear video history from here automatically. In this way we can clear Facebook video watch history. Now let's look what will get reset when you do this. All video you have watched before gets removed. Facebook will no longer use your past video to recommend video in Reels and feeds. If you've watched sensitive and random videos that messed up your feed, clearing history helps reset your suggestions. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.